This video will instruct you on how to change the batteries in your Simon XT wireless smoke detector. You will need two type CR123A batteries. Locate the smoke detector, which is normally mounted in a hallway or bedroom, and grasping the front of the smoke detector, turn it counterclockwise and the cover will snap off. The batteries are located under this tab. Push down and pull away in the direction of the arrows, the cover will snap off. Then pulling the black fabric tab, pull up, the batteries should pop out. The batteries are CR123A, which is available at most any home improvement warehouse, such as Lowe's. To install the batteries, note the orientation of the negative and positive, and insert the battery positive side first, pushing in and down. Repeat with the second battery. Make sure the black fabric tab is folded in and replace the cover in the opposite direction that you removed it. Push down and toward the center. When returning the smoke detector to the base, note the arrow on the base. The tab, seen here, line it up with the arrow, push onto the wall, and turn clockwise. When finished, it may take up to 12 hours for the panel to show a battery restore message. If you have any questions, call Nitro Security 800-236-9640 extension 2.